In this CourseMate review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to create you 100% Udemy-like e-learning websites where you make all the profits in just a few clicks. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out CourseMate, just go ahead and click on that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonuses. I've got a ton of bonuses here, including past products that were launched on their own. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says new web-based software that creates fully automated Udemy-like e-learning sites with courses ready to sell. Get 100% commissions on done-for-you premium video courses in any niche. Just one click to create an e-learning site with premium courses just like Udemy, 100% original content created and posted on your site every day. 100% commissions, monetization, you keep all the money, done for you course delivery, done for you customer support, and payment processing. Rank higher and higher on Google. They have the automated content that's created for you. It even has an automated email marketing system built in as well with this. So step one, you just log in and you choose a name for your site. Step two, choose from 10 different skill niches. Step three, you click a button and then your website's all created for you. Here's income that they have here from creating e-learning websites. From this, I know Dan's actually done this. I've known Dan for a long time now. You can create your done-for-you course sites that look just like this right here. They look really nice. They've got all the course description on it, the buy button so you can actually sell it and make money with it, customize everything in the sites as well, and make it look exactly how you want it to look and sell these different courses. And of course, you can add your own courses to it as well if you would like to. Now, let me bring you down here. I just want to show you the cost here. So there's two different options. There's a monthly license or a one-time. Obviously, this monthly license, no one's going to get that. You want to get it for a one-time cost. So you can get it for a one-time price here. They have all the different hosting for you. Everything's all done. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a demo video, and then I'm going to be back to show you an actual store, the backend area, and the upgrades.
Hi there, I'm Dan Green, and welcome to the full technical demo for CourseMate. In this demo, you're going to see just exactly how easy it is for anyone to get their own high-paying e-learning site in any niche they want within just a few seconds. So that being said, all I need to do is now log in to the site. And you can see here, this is a brand new account. We've got no websites, nothing. So we need to get started and create our site. And it is just super simple to do that. All we need to do is go over here. And now we need to choose a niche. So we've got a bunch of highly in-demand niches selected and done for you already. So these are things like health and fitness, investing, web development. These are all ultra high in-demand skills that people really want to learn about. But we also have a custom option so that you can create your own e-learning site in literally any niche you want to. So for this example, I'm going to use web development. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my site a title, which is going to be Learning Web Dev. And I'm going to choose a subdomain for my site as well. So the subdomain is we will host your e-learning site for you on our server, completely free of charge, no hosting costs whatsoever. If you want to, you can use your own domain, and I'll show you how you can do that later in the tutorial. But for now, I'm just going to choose a subdomain, so this will be the location on our server where it's located, and it's just going to be Learning Web Dev. As simple as that. At this point, I also have the option to add a logo. So if I've already got a logo pre-designed for my site that I want to use, I can add that in here. I'm not going to bother with that. I'm just going to use the default one that we have done for you. So there's no need to add a logo here at this point if you don't want to. So with that done, all we need to do, just literally a few seconds work, literally that's all we need to do to create an entire website. So I'm going to just click the button here to create a site. And you'll see that within just a few seconds, it will generate the site for us. It will add a bunch of e-learning courses that you can sell. Just like that, you can see that our site has been created. And if we go to it, you can see it's an incredible site. It's got background graphics related to our chosen niche. It's filled with a bunch of different courses here. We also have a fully automated blog section filled with loads of different blog posts. Remember, creating original content, daily original content related to your site is by far the most powerful and quickest way to rank on Google, and that's exactly what CourseMate does. You can see all of these blog posts. We've got a bunch, all with perfect punctuation and structure, all completely original, all completely relevant and related to our chosen niche. You can see we get a bunch of them right off the bat, and more blog posts are added each day. If we go back to the homepage here, you can see all of these courses are multi-part video courses with a bunch of information about the course here. Each course features its own completely done for you video preview of the course that gives you a bunch of it, all of the visitors a bunch of information about exactly what they'll be getting in the course. All of them feature a bunch of reviews, price, loads more information about the course here, and a button, of course, where they can buy. And anyone who buys, you receive 100% credits for the sale. So how does this work exactly? How do you receive the money anytime someone buys? How do you receive this $14, 100% of it, anytime someone buys from your site? Well, let me show you how this works. So if we go and view our courses here, we'll view all courses on our site. Remember, you get a bunch of courses created for you completely free of charge, done for you when you create your site, and more courses will be added in for you each week. So let's just find the one we were looking at before, which is Quick Start Angular. So this one here, so we can edit it here. So how does this work? How do you receive money so easily? Well, you don't have to set up a shopping cart. You don't have to integrate PayPal. You don't have to do anything complicated like that. What we've done is all of the courses that we create for you to sell, we list them on Warrior Plus, and all you need to do is to apply to be an affiliate for that course. So all we need to do is just click here, and that'll redirect us to Warrior Plus, where we can request approval for this course, and then request the offer. And you'll see once this has been redirected, see we auto-approve all of our customers, so that's auto-approved, and you just simply copy the link. Then we head back, and incidentally, you are auto-approved at 100% commissions, so you get 100% of the commissions anytime someone buys. Then all we need to do is go and add our link in. So we go and add it in here. So we paste it in here. This is our affiliate link. We click update. Okay, so this is the course here, and you can see now that our affiliate link has been embedded in here. So now anytime someone buys this course by clicking the button, we now get 100% commissions for the sale, and they are auto-delivered. The Warrior Plus will auto-deliver the course to them. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to deliver the course. You don't need to set up the payment button. You just get 100% commissions into either your Warrior Plus wallet or to your PayPal account, wherever you want, and that's it. Course incredible quality course auto-delivered for you. You don't need to do anything other than literally apply, get auto-approved, and paste in your affiliate link for each course on your site. Okay, so if we jump across back to the dashboard here, if we go to posts, we can see all of the posts that have been created for us when we created our website. And so, like I say, you get a bunch of posts right off the bat when you create your site, so you can get started ranking on Google with original content right away. But you also get new posts added in for you every single day. Now, how does this work? So if we go back to our site here, and then we go to the content sourcing, you'll see here that a bunch of YouTube channels have been added in. So these are the default channels that we have found for each niche. All of these channels, if we just open one up here, take a look at it, are related to your chosen to your chosen niche. And if you want to, you can also add in your own YouTube channels. So if you want to find your own YouTube channel, channels related to your niche, you can add them in like that. You can add in as many different channels if you want. You can also, if you wish to, maybe if you don't like our default channels, you can delete them, and maybe you want to replace them with your own, you can go ahead and do that, and you can have as many different channels as you want. And what happens is, each time, so we go to this channel here, each time a new video is posted on one of your channels, it will actually be using our clever technology. It will actually be, if we go back here, it will actually be changed into text. So the word in the videos is changed into text to create all of these posts. So all of these posts come from videos. It's the words in the videos, what people are saying in the videos is changed into text for you. So they're completely original content. Nobody else has this content. And every time a new video is added from your is added to any of the channels you have selected in your content sourcing here, a new post created. So you get dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of new posts created for you all the time to ensure incredible success ranking on Google with original content very quickly. Okay, so something else I wanted to touch on is site design. Now, as you can see, right out of the box, your site looks great with custom backgrounds, in a really, really slick design that's designed to maximize conversions, to get people viewing your courses and buying them as quickly as possible. But if you want to, we also provide a bunch of different design options. So you can see here, we've got a bunch of different backgrounds that are related to a chosen niche that you can select from. So if maybe you wanted to change this, you can change it to any of these ones. Maybe I'll go with this one. And if you want to, you can also upload your own background image instead. You can also go ahead and change all of this information up here. So you can see here, if you want to change any of these, you can change them to be whatever you want to be here. We've also got a bunch of different theme colors. So instead of it being red, you might want to have it to be green or blue or yellow or whatever. You can even remove this background image at the top if you want, and we've got a whole bunch of different options here for colors. So really we provide a huge amount of different options for having your site look exactly how you want it. I'd also mention here that if you want to, you can integrate a Facebook fan page, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn profile for your site, and we also have our different descriptions and keywords for Google that you can add in here if you wish. So we've got a bunch of different design options that, like I say, the site looks great right out of the box, but if you want to, you do have a bunch of different options. And also, of course, you can choose to upload your own logo. So if you don't like this default one that we've got here, you can choose to add your own like that. Now, something else I want to mention at this point is, as well as all the default courses that we create for you, and remember we do add in more courses each week for you, you can also create your own custom courses. So if you want to, we've got a full interface here for you, so you can create your own multi-part video courses, and if you want to do that. So if you don't want to rely on our courses, you want to add your own, or if you want to supplement the courses that we provide with your own courses, you can do that using this interface here. Okay, so something else I want to talk about is advertisements. So we let you add banner ads pretty much wherever you want on your site. So we've got a bunch of different ways you can do that. You can add in a ClickBank banner ad. So if you want to add, put in ads from ClickBank, you can do that easily. You can also add in your own custom image. So for example, if I go to my desktop here, there's an example image that I might want to add in here. And then we can send it to any location. So we would put our affiliate link in here. I'm just going to put Google as an example. And then we would be able to choose exactly where we want that to appear. So you can see here, we could add it to, we've got a bunch of different locations that you can add it. So you can add it at the top, in sidebars, or you can add it to specific blog posts if you want. So we also provide the option to add in JavaScript code. So if you, for example, wanted to use AdSense, that's how you do that there. So you just paste in your AdSense code here, and then you would just choose exactly where you want it to appear. And it's as simple as that. So that's adding a whole new revenue stream to your site, adding in advertisements, basically wherever you want them. Okay, so something else I haven't mentioned up until now are opt-in forms. So we actually have a fully integrated autoresponder service built into the software for you. So you can create your own, if you have a look here, you can create unlimited lists. So for example, I'll just put example list here. So we can create as many different lists as we want, and then we can add in we can have as many different subscribers. So there's no limit on the subscribers. So you can have unlimited subscribers, unlimited lists. You can also create as many different opt-in forms. So we've got a whole different template builder here for adding your own opt-in forms. So example opt-in. And then you would choose, so put it on our web development site, and then you would choose which list to assign it to. And then we've got a bunch of different options, so you can change how it looks. If you wanted to, you could put in a heading. And you can see as we're doing this, this is live updating, so you can see exactly how it is. We can add in different fields if you want to. And then you can choose exactly where you would want to put it. So I'm just going to put it on the, let's put it as the index sidebar, but we've got a bunch of different locations. So I'll stick it in there and save the opt-in form. Once you've deployed your opt-in form and you're starting to generate leads to your list here, so once you start generating leads, you can then create campaigns. So you can create emails, and again, it's a full visual editor where you can, create any kind of email you want, promote anything you want, and then you can send it to whichever list you want. And we provide unlimited email campaigns. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. You can promote anything you want. So again, that's a whole another income stream built in for you, where you don't have to pay any costs associated with an autoresponder, unlimited lists, unlimited subscribers, unlimited email campaigns. So let me just do an example here. Email, and then we'll just leave this as blank for now, and we'll click Save Content. And then you could go ahead whenever you want. You could go in and edit it, or you could go ahead and you can then send it. So you could send it now. You can choose the from name from where your replies will be sent to you, and you can even schedule it if you wish to as well. On top of all of that, we also have a segmenting section where you can create segments from your lists. It's basically, guys, it's basically like having your own fully featured autoresponder service, just like Aweber, just like GetResponse, but with no limits. And you can also do basically anything you want with it. So there's no limits on subscribers, no limits on emails sent, and no limits on the amount of lists that you can have. Okay, so another thing I want to mention at this point is, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to, instead of using using a subdomain, so you can see here, when we're using a subdomain, the location is our chosen subdomain .causemate.tech. If you want to use an entirely different domain, use our own domain, you can do that. And it's really, really simple how this works. And we provide full instructions here. Essentially, all you need to do is download a file and upload it to your domain. And that's just click this button to download a file and upload it to your domain in the location you want it to show. And your site will be fully displayed there at your custom domain. And now finally, I'm just going to mention that as well as being able to add and edit your own courses, you can of course go in and edit any of these blog posts. So if you wanted to, you can change anything on here. You can also create your own blog posts. So maybe instead of relying on the content from YouTube, you want to create your own posts. Well, of course, you can go in and do that here. So you've got a full visual editor where you can, change colors, put in images, videos. It's basically like just having your own fully hosted WordPress blog section. On top of all of that, we can also add in we could also add pages. So if we go to the site pages here, you can create custom pages. Now, this is just a neat little feature. So for example, many people might want to have, say, a contact us or an about us page, and you can do that very simply. So I'm just going to put example page. But like I say, if you wanted to, you could add in pictures, you could add in videos, anything you want. But I'm just going to keep this super simple, and then you can save. What you see when I save this, and then I go to the to view the site. Let's go and view the site here. You can see here that the About Us page has been added here. Like I say, there's nothing much there right now, but if you wanted to, you can implement as many different pages as you want, and they appear across here.
So of course, this is the backend area here where you're going to be building everything inside of here. You can put it on a custom domain as well if you want to. This is an example of an actual website built with this, all hosted by them. If you click on one of these things right here, we can click on that. You can see like it has a description, it has a video, the requirements, the pricing, and when someone buys, you get all the money. Now, there are a bunch of different OTOs here. The first one is unlimited sites with unlimited hosting in multiple niches, 10 times faster Google rankings, 10 times more profits from each site here. So this is going to give you unlimited with this. That's the big thing with this. And if we go down here, you can get that for a monthly or, of course, a one-time. Everyone is going to get it for the one time. Next one is done for you. So you can upgrade for the done for you license. They're going to set up everything for you. They're going to select the perfect YouTube content for your sources for your posts here. They're going to rank your site for you, monetize your site, get everything all done for you with this one. Next one here is you can get multiple income streams added into your site with this. So not only will you be making money from the courses, but you can add in multiple different income streams. You can make this one here is CryptoMate here, so you can get go-to destination for e-learning. You can do crypto, so you can actually add crypto in there as well, so you can make it even more up to date. You can do a one-time fee right here. The agency license, you can get unlimited CourseMate accounts. You can sell them, you can give them away, you can do whatever you want to them. You can use them to build your email list if you want to with this as well. And the last one is white label. So you can take his software and you can make it look exactly like it's your own, put your own branding on it, put your own logo, all that, and keep this. So this is more of an expensive one, but it's more of a business opportunity for those of you that want to pick that up. So all these different upgrades are completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I like about CourseMate and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it is a sales page is showing you lots of income proof and whatnot. Don't expect that you're going to make one of these sites and you're going to start making hundreds of thousands of dollars overnight. That's not going to happen. The magic behind this is when you start creating multiple sites, you start having them create content for you, and over time, they get that content coming in, they get the traffic coming in, and that's when you start making sales. What do I like about this? Creating courses is one of the ways that I've made a lot of money in my own business. I've actually put courses on Udemy. When you put stuff on Udemy, they take a big cut of it. So they actually take your money from you. If you want to be able to keep 100% of your profits, not have to create courses yourself, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at CourseMate, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.